Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and of course, some good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. Of course, today we're going to be making some green seasoning. We are going to be making all the luscious things. Look at beautiful, look at fresh, look at nice, look at green. So first, let's deconstruct a sweet pepper or bell pepper, whatever kind of bell pepper or pepper you call it. So burst it into half, we cut it into half, and then we're gonna get rid of the guts, get rid of the inside, right? So go ahead and take a knife and peel that out, get rid of those white parts and the seed and all of that. You do not need those, right? And then we're gonna cut it up, slice it up, and you don't need to do this fine at all, or if you don't want, you don't have to cut it at all, but it makes it a bit easier when you put it in your blender or your food processor. Now let's go for the big boy. This is the bigger piece, but let's take off our, listen, we're not wasting any of that sweet pepper right there. Yes, and let's go in now. I'm using my hand to just dig it out and then go in with the knife to finish him off. And look at it now, all nice and clean. So go ahead and cut it up as usual and put it in the tray. Now next is our onion. We just bust that in half and slice, not too fine, and then put it on the tray. That's us all done. But yeah, Vibes fam, just cut them as you wish. Now for the time, so this part right there, it's extremely tough. Most of the time I cut those off. I do not leave those on there, right? Just the excess. And here I have a stalk of scallion and I cut off top and bottom. And Vibes fam, you have to be so careful with these. Sometimes try to hold them up and look up into them, or just cut. If you don't need for them to be whole, then cut them open, because I'm telling you, sometimes some dirt in these, you would not believe the amount of dirt into them. So to stay on the safe side, slice them open, especially when you're going to cut up for your seasoning, right? Blend up for your seasoning, and yeah, wash them properly. So let's cut these up, nothing too small, just a nice little slice, right? And put those on the tray as well. And then that is gonna be us. Voila, all done. So now we're gonna blend, process. I mean, let's just throw them all in there. So the onion, some garlic. Ooh, you don't want to leave out garlic. Some more onion. I mean, it doesn't matter which one, just get them all in there, right? And of course, I always put a piece of ginger, not too much, right? But just the right amount. And my lovely sweet pepper, bell pepper, you know I love them. And some thyme, and just go ahead and blend those up. Of course, don't leave out the pimento. Trust me, it adds maximum flavor. This thing smells so good already, and it don't even start blend. It smells so good. But yeah, Vibes fam, go ahead and blend that up. Bam, blend the time. So just blend. So that is us all done, and now we're gonna add the rest of everything. So Vibes fam, at first I forgot to put the olive oil in there. Now olive oil helps to preserve it. I had parsley in there. You can add cilantro if you want, right? Add whatever you like. I didn't, and just like that, we're all done. I didn't even mention you can add both parsley and cilantro if you want, right? As I said, just add whatever you like. It's your food, right? But yeah, Vybz fam, look at it. Now I'm going to jar it up. I always store mine in a glass jar, preferably with a metal top. Always with a metal top, really. But yeah, Vybz fam, that is it. Look at it, right? Smells so good. And Vybz fam, here we have it. Hey, here we have it. Look at just, I mean, the most greenish. It smell good. It is so flavorful. I mean, you put it on everything. Put it on your fish, your chicken, your pork, every and anybody. Anything that come before you and you can season it, dash it on there, right? Yeah, and it's so easy, and trust me, I always make like a big batch and just store it in the fridge, and each time you use it, just use a fresh spoon to put in there. Do not use a dirty spoon. You will contaminate the batch, right? And this lasts for so long. But yeah, Vybz fam, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Please turn on your post notifications so that you can be alerted when I post new videos, and subscribe please. Thank you. God bless you.